Alright, so the application is downloaded. So now let's install that. So just double click on this and just go ahead and install this. Alright, click next, agree, next. Okay, so here you can see that it is saying it is going to install the core at this location and the pack at this location. So let's not worry about that. So you can issue next here, and here you can see that it is installing in the C directory. So that's fine, we can go ahead here. Click next. Okay, click next. So it is started installing, so please wait until it completes. Alright, so the setup is completed. Okay, so just click finish here. After that you will see that the pack installer is launched automatically. So what you do is just click OK here and just close this. Don't worry, we'll explore pack installer later. Just exit from here. So after the installation, what we have to do is we have to launch the KEIL Microvision IDE. For that, so you can even go to the installation directory. So we installed KEIL version 5, that is MDK version 5 in C drive, right? So in your C drive, you should see a folder KEIL_version 5. So go under this, and here you will see these files and folders. So UV4 stands for Microvision 4. So just go under that, and here you must locate a application called UV4. Okay, so this is your KEIL Microvision 4 application. Okay, so this is the IDE where we develop code, compile code, and finally download code into our hardware. So just launch this application and you will see something like this. That means our KEIL-MDK-5 software is installed successfully.